Hello, welcome to another episode of Guides. Today I will show you how to make a head swap, that is swapping players' heads using the best render pack containing over 400 different heads and player renders in EAFC25. Using the AI tool, their quality is better than in the game itself. So I invite you to download from the link in the description, and when looking for a render I have to choose one that suits me for Mbappe. I think I'll choose Rashford. Come on. Who would want to see this sweeter in Real Madrid? As a graphic designer, we are able to do everything. Okay, first we will cut out the head itself. Why only? I can already show you the difference, as we can see Mbappe is slightly tilted, so we can't cut out the whole head with neck, because we won't fit it perfectly to the Mbappe render. We have to cut out just Rashford's head without the neck, which will help us fit it to the Mbappe render. Once we have the head cut out, we reduce it enough so that the beard fits perfectly to Mbappe's beard. This way we will avoid the effect of a large head directly proportional to the rest of the body. We turn the head slightly, and we will shade and lighten it. We need to give the same effect as on Mbappe's face. We need to lighten on the left side, and darken on the right. Let's adjust it a bit, and then move on to playing with light. Okay, that's it. The render is adjusted correctly and is ready to be used for thumbnails and other graphics from EAFC25. To get 400 such renders, download my latest pack from the link in the description, and I'll say goodbye to you until tomorrow. Bye.